This is absolute 100% sister to motherly intensity. Not sure if it's actually giving breath. Shake your head, baby. There you go. There you go. I think it's got breath in there. You got a big old goober. You got a mouthful of dirt there, baby. Here we go. This line of cattle, they're just like very, very good moms. Grandma to this one is Ebony, this is Jebonee, and son or daughter. They're some of my favorite cows. I like their attitude, I like their shape, I like their everything about them. This is a purebred Solaire mom and calf. Pretty quick we'll find out if it's a boy or a girl. Too bad she had it right in a cow pie. It's not the best for keeping things clean. Aren't you cute, hey? So motherly intensity, if you want to check out a really amazing video, check that one out. That's the title, and it was posted in 2023, probably around May or so, here at Farmer Always. And that mom was just so enthralled with her baby. She was a first-time mom, and it's one of my favorite videos. So I was coming out to check. I was pretty sure one of our black cows was going to be calving, and this one is who I saw as I was driving by. I had a couple of feet out, so that's pretty good. And then that's like 5 minutes ago, not very many minutes ago, I zipped out and did a quick scan of the cows and came back, and you were with me for that part. So amazing. And look, it's even trying to get up already. Doesn't even mind that I'm right here. I'm 10 or 15 feet away, not very far. But I do have my quad in between me and her. Looks like a girl. Right in a cow pie. Your poor little face. So this spot that she chose was yesterday's. This is where Bryan shredded yesterday, and they turned it up. It was nice hard ground, but it was rainy yesterday, and so they kind of got this all mushed up. So this baby is laying on hay and mud churned up and a few cow pies, I guess. This is great. Very, very alert. Very nice, healthy calf. Very nice, healthy calf. You try to get up. very good mom. This is how Bryan shreds their meals. This is alfalfa hay. It's dry hay, shredded and spread on the ground in new spots so that you'll have lots of space to access your food. This here is a little motherly intensity. This is the one I was telling you guys about. I was hoping that that was the cow that was calving. That would have been neat to get a little sequel of motherly intensity, but that's her sister that just calved. This guy was born this morning, middle of the night. And he's like, "Mom, where did you go? I don't know how to lay down yet." This is Auntie. Thanks for knocking him. Nice calf. His mom is right there, the black cow. Little cutie. You're doing great, girl. I just turned off the camera. I was gonna leave these two for a little bit, and it just started to get up, this little heifer. So she's less than 10 minutes old, I would say, and she's already making a very good effort at getting up. Look at that. Wow. You look just like your sister. Such nice cows. You see on this cow, her ears have white around. That's a Solaire. Some of the Solaire cows or bulls will have this white. Lots of them have the white flag on their tail, the white tail switch, I guess you call it. But some of them also have white around their edges of their ears. It's quite pretty. This girl's really got nice markings. Try again. There goes Gemma in the background. She's a half Solaire. Gemma. Her mom is a black Angus Simmental. Her sire is a Solaire. run over. This is Giselle. Up, up. Up, up, girls. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. Hip, hip. The cows like to eat the straw. And stand in it and poop in it. They're awesome. I'm gonna get out of the way because he's probably gonna blow a little wider on this path. It's all for you guys. You guys are so cute. So our herd over at the calving pen, still the calf, is significantly, oh dear. This is like a snowstorm. So it's significantly less cattle out in the other pen right now. I'll give you guys a quick little tour of some of the babies. This mom just calved today. And I don't know where her calf is. She probably has it hiding somewhere. Look at this little smarty hiding from the wind. This is Mama Ebony. Were you just eating? Oh, you're so cute. He's a young one. He was yesterday. Oh, that's not the mom. The mom's eating the mom's afterbirth, I think. So mom's still probably out with the calf. This guy's a cutie. Where's your baby? This might be the baby. Nope. Ugh. I don't want to be behind them. So these are a bunch of the calves. This guy was born a couple days ago, number 45. He's a sweet little guy. Okay, here